So in this question here, we've got a curve with parametric equations, x equals t cubed plus 3t and y equals 1 over the square root of 2t plus 5. And we want to find dy dx. So our x's and our y's are in terms of t. So what we have for dy dx, we'd have dy dt, so the derivative of y with respect to t, and then we divide that result by the derivative of x with respect to t, as x is also in respect to t. So let's go straight in, let's get our building blocks. So dx, let's do that. So dx dt, derivative of x with respect to t. So the power rule, bring the power to the front and drop the power by 1, 3t squared. And 3t, power is 1, so that just stays as a 3, and drop to the power by 1, so t to the 0, t disappears. So that's just 3. Okay, now this one, a bit more to it for this one. Now I'll rewrite this one first of all. As I've got the square root, I'd have 2t plus 5, and square root is to the power of a half, but in the denominator it's minus 1 half. Okay, so now our dy dt, let's work with this rather than this. So dy dt, so bring the power to the front. So I've got minus 1 half. We've got 2t plus 5, let's keep that. So 2t plus 5. Drop the power by 1, so that's minus 3 over 2. And then we need to multiply by the derivative of the inside, by the chain rule. So we need to multiply by 2. So multiply this by 2. So then that would give me minus 1. So 2 times minus a half is minus 1. And then 2t plus 5 to the minus 3 over 2. Now I can simplify this. So that would equal minus 1 over, now 2t plus 5 would stay in the square root, so give that a bit of space, 2t plus 5, and as there's a 3 there, that would be cubed, so quantity cubed there. So now let's write that out in terms of our dy dt, dx dt. So dy, so that's this stuff, so I've got minus 1 over square root 2t plus 5 cubed. So that takes care of that. Then my dx dt is 3t cubed plus 3. So that's divided by 3t cubed plus 3. Okay, now we can simplify this. We can just simply bring that down into the denominator and write it as one fraction, because that's just still a little bit clumsy looking. So now I've got a minus 1 in the denominator, and then my in the numerator, sorry, minus 1 in the numerator, my denominator 3t cubed plus 3 multiplied by this stuff. So in my radical I've got 2t plus 5 quantity cubed. That would be my final answer. Okay.